Hey folks, Jay Grams here, Volo Auto Museum. Got a 71 Challenger RT Plum Crazy Purple that I'm going to show you today. You're going to want to stick around. This is a really cool, exciting car. You can go to volocars.com at any time to see a couple hundred collector cars for sale. And on there you'll find the pricing, descriptions, top to bottom pictures of each car, and then we have financing, shipping, and all the different ways to contact us are on our website, so we can help you buy this or any other car you see on our site. Let's take this one for a spin. This has the build sheet. This is a real RT, real Plum Crazy Purple, no ugly vinyl top, just all purple. It's a factory-born 4-speed car, although this one's upgraded to a pistol grip Tremec 5-speed now. But I can't imagine a better looking 71 Challenger. The color, the white stripes, the chrome sport mirrors, the rallye wheels. Look at the original rear window louvers. That's cool. It's got a factory rear antenna, pop-up gas cap, has the spoiler. Under the front you'll see the chin spoilers. So what's this car missing? This, I think, is one of the hottest 71 Challengers that you could even imagine up. Beautiful shape. Taillight panel's real nice. The chrome bumper's been replaced. Got the right square tip exhaust coming out the back. All the body gaps are real nice on this one. The purple metallic is laid out evenly. It's not blotchy or cloudy. It's like a mirror. It's polished out like glass, and all the way down along the bottom and everywhere it's shiny and just like a glass finish, wet looking. So beautiful, beautiful car. Original windshield. It's got a couple little nicks here, rock nicks. It's got the power bulge RT hood, new hood pins, new bumper. These little eyebrows are original, but they're in good shape. It was born a 383 car. It's now a 440. And it runs strong. I'm going to start it up in a minute. You're going to like it. Polished aluminum valve covers. Dressed up real nice and clean. The engine bay is real nice clean metal. I don't see damage or I don't see rust. So nice motor compartment. The interior is exceptionally nice. It's restored from carpet to headliner. Has sound deadener under the carpet. All the plastic, front, back, it's all like new. There's new cushions in the seat, so it feels new, and then it makes the upholstery fit perfectly. Dash pad does have a couple cracks at the corners of the speaker. Other than that, the dash pad's real nice. Nothing is cut up in the dash. Got the original AM radio. Got a real clean, all metal, solid trunk. It's got a rubber mat painted up real nice in there. New weather strip. This has the rallye gauge cluster with the tachometer. Like I said, the pistol grip. Even on top, the headliner is mint. It's got shoulder belts. Visors are real nice. Embroidered purple Challenger RT floor mats. Comes with some restoration photos. Comes with the original build sheet and a bunch of receipts from over the years of work that's been done to it. I'm going to start this thing up. See, you're going to like how it sounds. I did. But first I need the key. They've added 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got frame connectors underneath. And look at the stance too. It's got new shocks. Sits just right. Yeah, that's nice. I didn't even rev it up yet. Come on, you gotta admit, that sounds perfect. It's got stainless steel mufflers. The exhaust looks pretty new under there. Motor itself is running nice and smooth. Doors shut nice. Like I said, everything fits real nice. We actually just took this on trade along with a 2013 purple Challenger with the white stripe. It was a his and hers deal. They took these to car shows, the husband and wife. It was their babies. They traded these in, got something different. The 2013 went on the website and sold in an hour. So this one's probably going to sell real well too. So don't hesitate. Contact us. Let us know any questions or concerns you might have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got lots of great cars lined up that we're going to be videotaping over the next day or two. There's a tab in the top corner of your screen you can click on. It'll bring you to this car, which will take you to our website. Look at everything we got. It's really awesome, the cars we have for sale. And we get new ones every day. So stay in touch. Thanks for watching, and see you again.